Hi guys, got another bunch of stuff to show you. Now, what we don't bring in a lot of decals and things like that, but on occasions I'll bring in things that I think are relevant or Australian related items. For the new Icm Beaufort Bomber that's coming out now, this has been held over. It won't be released until February next year, but that's a decal sheet from Xtradecal. There's about, I think it's 8 or 9 choices of markings in it. That doesn't include an Australian one, but there's some really nice schemes in there. So if you're considering you don't want to do the markings in the current kit, then that's in stock now. With the arrival of the M113 a little while back, the Australian marked one, I thought I'd have a look at this company called Xtradecal. Now these look really, really nice. This is from Xtradecal. It's this one covers M113s in Vietnam. So if you don't want to do the markings in the kit, you do end up with a choice of other markings there. So that's quite good. The decals, I believe, are very, very good. They go on well. I've never used them myself, but a couple of the Armour modelers I've spoken to really do like them. So that's for the M113s. And if you've got the Centurion, Mark 5 or this is the Mark 5 in Vietnam. Again, same sort of principle. This is for the Vietnam era ones. So again, if you don't want to do the one that's in the kit, or a couple that's in the kit, you get a choice of doing some other ones. These are all Australian ones, of course. So if you're looking at something like that, then that's another great decal sheet to do. Now from CSM, Copper State models. This is their next one in their series of armoured personnel carriers. This is 35th scale. I think this one was used mostly in the desert. The schemes cover northeast Italy, Ethiopia. Oh, there's one from Barcelona. So you've got a choice of markings in there. These are nice kits, and they're doing more and more of them. The good news for the 72nd scale modelers are they're starting to release these in 72nd scale as well. The first one out is the Italian one. We're out of it, I think we're out of it at the moment, but yeah, very, very nice. For the aircraft modelers, the Caudron should be released in the next week or so, or next couple of weeks. Hopefully we'll have it in the new year, allowing for freight, all that sort of rubbish. So if you're looking for a nice kit and you're continuing your series, they're quite good. This is this couple of new things from Eduard. As I said, this is the 48 scale Tempest Mark II. This has been a well-received kit. People have been waiting for this version for some time. This version, the Mark II early, this is actually sold out, and I believe Eduard's actually sold out of it too, but I believe we've got some more coming shortly. If you want to do the Mark II, the early version, grab this as soon as you can. They are doing a late version, which has got a few slight changes to the airframe and different markings, of course. 6 choices of markings. These are just lovely kit. It's just a really, really nice kit. So hopefully we'll see a lot more in that series come through. This is one of the ones in their series of Spitfires. This is a limited edition dual combo. The other one that was out was called the Eagle's Call. We are out of that at the moment, and Eduard's also out of it, but we've managed to secure, I think, a few more, so we should have some more shortly. That's got the Spitfire 5C and 5B in it. This one's got just Mark 1 or Mark 2s in it, so you get 2 kits. Great little, this is a beautiful model. The Eduard Spitfires are just superb. So if you're looking to build those earlier ones, even up to the Mark 5s which are coming out, then go for it. So that's pretty cool. Now this one is pretty cool. I like this. I've got one of these myself. This is Eduard's version of the Hind D. They've used Zvezda's plastic, which is very, very good kit. A little bit less on detail, but these guys have added to it. There's a lot in this kit. There's 6 choices of markings. There's brass and conversion and detailing sets for exhausts. There's a pictorial book in it. So if you're looking to do a Hind with a lot of markings and a lot of extra bits and pieces and save yourself some money buying all the pieces separately, grab this hold of this one. And just to continue the family of Hinds, this is Zvezda's second version of their Hind. This is the VVVP. So they've got 2 out now. There's modifications obviously to suit the actual version. Again, nice kit, not a lot of detail inside, but it is a really nice kit to build. Some people have complained about the detail on the body and stuff like that, but you know, it's horses for courses. If you want to go and re-rivet it all, go for it. But no, very, very nice kit. Now, a couple of things about Eduard that I'll tell you about. It's the anniversary of Pearl Harbor today, 80th anniversary. I believe their zeros will be released shortly in the next few days, so we should see that probably late this month, early next month. So if you're looking for zeros from Pearl Harbor, period, then Eduard will have the new ones. Apparently they are really, really, really nice. So keep an eye out for that in our newsletters. And if you're not signed up to the newsletter, sign up to the newsletter shortly. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Catch you later. Bye.